So hello everyone, I am Anupam. Welcome back to Python for Absolute Beginner series. In the previous lesson, we learned about Python loops, for loop and while loop. And in today's lesson 6, we are going to learn break, continue and pass statement in Python. So these statements are called loop control statement because they help us control how loops behave. So let's start. What are loop control statements? Sometimes when we use loops, we don't want the loop to run normally every time. For example, sometimes we want to stop the loop early. Sometimes we want to skip one iteration. Sometimes we just want an empty blank block of code. For this situation, Python provides three important statements. These are break, continue, and pass. So the three statements are break, continue, and pass. The first one is the break statement. The break statement is used to stop the loop immediately. When Python encounters a break statement, the loop terminates instantly. Example like for I in range 1 to 6, and if I is equal to 3, then break, then print I. Then we got output 1 or 2. Because when I becomes 3, the condition I is equal to 3. Then the condition becomes true and the loop stops immediately because we applied here the break statement. Then the number 4 and 5 are never printed because we applied the break statement here. Okay, in simple words, जैसे ही 3 आया लूप वहीं पर रुक गया. Okay, means break हो गया. So the second one is the continue statement. The continue statement skips the current iteration and moves to the next iteration. For I in range 1 to 6, then if I is equal to 3, continue, print I, and the output is 1, 2, 4, 5. When I is equal to 3, Python skip that iteration but continue with the remaining iteration. Number 3 is skipped, but the loop continues to print 4 and 5. Means जब हम continuous statement वहां लगा देंगे, like I is equal to 3 यहाँ given है, तो बस जो I is equal to 3 मतलब जो I की वैल्यू given है वही वो skip कर देगा और पूरा आउटपुट वो प्रिंट कर देगा, like 1, 2, 4, 5. ओके, 3 को इग्नोर करके लूप नेक्स्ट नंबर पर चला जाएगा. ओके, so the third one is the pass statement. The pass statement does nothing. It is used as a placeholder when we plan to write code later. For example, I in range 5, then pass. This code runs but does nothing. This code runs but produces no output. In simple words, यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम चल रहा है but कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है. Okay. So the common difference of these three control statements, like in break, the purpose is to stop the loop completely, and the effect is it exits the loop immediately. For continue statement, the purpose is it skips current iteration, and the effect is it moves to the next iteration. Pass statement, the purpose is does nothing, and the effect is no effect on loop flow. Okay, let's see a example. For I in range 1 to 11, if I is equal to 5, then continue, print I. The output is 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5 is skipped because we applied here continue statement. As I told you that in a continue statement, it skips the current iteration. Like step by step, loop start with I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1 and print 1. Continues for I 2, 3, 4 and prints them. Okay. When I is equal to 5, continue skips the iteration, this iteration. यहाँ पर देखिए 5 skip कर दिया गया है because we applied here continue statement, means it skips the current iteration. Loop continues and print 6 to 10. यहाँ पर 6 से 10 तक फिर से यहाँ पर loop continue हो गया है. So यही आउटपुट था इसका. So in today's lesson, we learn about break statement that is used to stop loop completely. The second one is continue statement that is used to skip current iteration. And third one is pass statement that is used to when code is required but you plan to implement it later. So these statements help us to control loops in Python. In the next lesson, we will learn about Python lists. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your doubt, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thank you and keep supporting